Okay.
No, you don't get the camera. Silly goose boy. You get all the parts for... Here. Not yet. Here. Get the rest of the parts first.
Oh.
No, we just put them all down on the table.
Right.
Silly.
Okay.
Okay. Now how do you plug it in?
Okay, this goes somewhere.
That gets plugged into the little hard drive, into the external hard drive.
This goes right here.
Yep. Be careful. Good boy.